This is interesting. There's a helicopter. Flying around out here in west of Lithgow on the Great Western Highway. Now there's nothing out here. The jail's back that way. And I'm just curious to see what this helicopter is doing. He was over the Great Western Highway. I don't know if that's coming up on your screen or not. Where'd he go? Oh, he's got his bum straight to me, that's why you can't see. He is there. I'm looking at him. He's just to the right of the tree. There he is. So whether he's following somebody out or somebody's doing a runner from the jail, I don't think it's a power line inspection, but he seems to be looking for something. So as they say, doesn't matter where you go, Big Brother's always watching. It's a bit of a useless video, but I just thought that was rather surprising. He's still going over the mountain. I know you can't see him. He's right above the two power line poles in the background. It's right above them. But he's going north. So I can't, the sun's not reflecting off him to show him. Anyway, see you later. Just missed on. Just a bit of fun. I'm going out to Wallerawang. Check out the channel. Let's go see what I'm doing at Wallerawang.